Hello everyone, my name is Marc Pasion and I'm from the beautiful islands of Hawaii. I came to the Tree of Life Wellness Center in Manila about 10 days ago with lots of baggages, physical, mental, and emotional. I chose to enter their 10-day detox and weight management program, hoping to primarily lose weight. Not only did I lose weight here, but I also gained something much valuable here, and that is developing healthy habits. You see, before I came here, I lived a sedimentary lifestyle as a graduate student studying religion. My daily diet then consisted of eating rice and pasta almost every single day, sleeping late hours, little to none physical activity, and constant hours behind my laptop trying to fulfill my requirements for my academic program. This is the definition of academic stress, and I was bound for burnt out. It wasn't until my first day on the hydrocolonics machine that I realized how stressful and how stressed I was. As I saw the toxins exiting my body, the nurses began to share how our bodies can become acidic by 3 different ways. First was stress, which I had a lot of. Second were the foods that we ate, which was for me plainly carbohydrates and fatty foods. And third, the drinks that we drink, which for me was a lot of sugary juices. It was then that I realized the importance of diet, exercise, rest, and most of all, trusting in God. Now that I finished this 10-day program, it has helped me to gain a following regimen and routine. First that I have is to wake up early in the morning. Second is meditating upon God and communing with Him in prayer. Third is to exercise for at least 30 minutes. For me, it was swimming. Fourth was to drink alkaline water. Fifth is to eat a nutritious meal every single day. And for me, I love the salads here at Tree of Life. Next is drinking smoothies. And seventh is taking supplements to aid the body. And last but not least, having enough rest and temperance in all that we do. The healthy habits that I've learned here is only just the beginning. I want to incorporate this into my daily regimen and no longer return to my sedimentary life I used to live, so that one day I could join God and His children at the Tree of Life in heaven. Thank you.